Howdy doody, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. I gotta say, with the recent contributions from everybody here in the Quant Elite student stuff in the Python course, I did ask for some trading ideas last week. Three were brought in, and they look good. I used MotiveWave. If you're really interested in this stuff, want to learn more about seeing the results of these, if they do get implemented, they are either for both, either or crypto or forex. So if you come under here under quantlabs.net book, you'll be able to sign up, get information on how this stuff is going, and basically looking at how this stuff plays out. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed, but I'm hoping to implement it into Python, and then it just depends on Python, what's available to me in Python with some of these indicators and oscillators and stuff. So I just posted on my Instagram, and how I guess I'm supposed to use it, quantlabs.net. Here I just posted two new ideas. Got to really say thanks to these folks, because it's people like that that make it really valuable if this turns out, and the way it's looking, it is very doable. So we have here two trading ideas. This one has some really good potential. Like, I was pretty surprised actually. No, actually, sorry, this one. This one right here. Now this is again all done in MotiveWave. So before I go out and to implement a strategy or an idea, before, or not wanting to waste my time, what I want to do is be able to visually see it in MotiveWave, because MotiveWave, the Elite, the full edition, has pretty well every single parameter, every single indicator that I've used among these. There's two that are right now. These are the easy ones. There's a third one out there I'll talk about in a minute. But this is a snapshot from MotiveWave, and these little dots here are the entry and exit. So these are the lines, the indicators, different averages, different whatever, that will give you some incredible price profit. This is with Bitcoin against USD as a test. This is real market data. So over a 3-day trade, I can't remember if it was a week, but this was a $1,200 trade. Okay, it's just absolutely incredible, and this can be used in both forex and crypto, and it depends on the time frame which they have supplied. So this will work in this time frame. This is an amazing trade, especially if it looks really good. To be able to pinpoint the low points here, exactly the way you want it, and you think that you're living in some kind of dreamland, that this actually may work. From what I'm seeing on the time frame, it seems to work pretty good. Also, we have another one. This one, I tried both forex and crypto. This one is using a combination, or actually just one indicator, but it's how you use it what matters. And apparently this is a professionally used indicator and strategy built around volume. This seems to only work in forex, but it just seems to break down in crypto. So forex, this could probably work pretty good, and this one for sure can be done in Python against Oanda. As you know, I'm just trying to keep everything in crypto right now, because when you get ideas like this, it gets pretty crazy. But this has got a lot of potential. And again, from this person, I want to say big thanks as well. The idea here is to I walk through the videos using again the MotiveWave, showing you how I display all the indicators, the different markers that I use for the potential entry and exit, looking for those entries and exits based upon these rules that are sent to me, and then look for potential failure points as well. And this one, as I said, looks good for Forex. And this one's not. It's a combination of how you do it for the volume. So this as I said, this has got a promise as well, but for Forex. So it's pretty exciting knowing that you have people out there that are willing to put a lot of research into what may work, submit it over to me. And again, these folks are part of the Python or the Elite to do that. So I've spent the last 2-3 hours doing this. So again, that's one of the things that I'm looking at, and people are really willing to join for all that. And the thing is that if they get this working, and I can do it in Python, I'll definitely share it in the Python. But I'm also thinking, I mean, I got it right there in MotiveWave. So why would I not build something like that in MotiveWave? Because I would imagine and hope that there would be little programming needed for MotiveWave. I mean, it's already there, so why not use it? And some of these indicators cannot be used, or I can't translate the indicators into Python, so why not just use MotiveWave, which would make more sense for that. And hopefully just have a little bit of programming in Java to make money there for both the Oanda. The sad part is I won't be able to apply it in MotiveWave against real crypto exchanges because that functionality is not available in MotiveWave. But for sure I could do this in Forex. So it's got me thinking. And there's 2 of these. And again, I said there's a third trading idea. Now this one I haven't really looked at. It's quite involved. The trading idea is 3 times, from what I've seen from what this person sent me, it is available on one of those true effects, I believe, and that strategy is in true effects with the 3 times return in about 2 months. So that's pretty incredible. So that's validated for that particular strategy. So what this person does, they reverse engineer it and then applied it to using Java. So I'm thinking I might develop a strategy around that. I'd be very interesting to do that within MotiveWave because it's not that difficult to build for MotiveWave. Yeah, so I don't know. Lots of Brainiac stuff going on here thanks to these folks. So just wanted to let you know, again, if you want to learn more about this, let's go over to quantlabs.net/book. If you really want to learn how to build bots, I've got one that's working pretty nice. Just come over to the store at quantlabs.net. 2 options for you. I'm going to probably, while I got you here, I'll show you the results so far of the current bot just to see how and why. Everything's slow here because this computer's really loaded up. So in here, just go into the store. Well, what's really killing it's just this bot that's running. So go to the store and go and look for Python and Elite. So one thing I'll say about the Elite, everything seems to be working really well. And when you start generating indicators for these 2 and potentially a third indicator for MotiveWave, and they seem to work, and let's say they do work, what do you think the value of that membership would be if I gave out the source code? Or not the source code, but the indicator. Who knows? But those trading ideas are really good. So as I said, the Python's right here. Just click that guy. This one is becoming more useful with all the stuff I'm banging out. Boop, boop, boop. So right now, it's 3 years, $9.97. Next week, I'm probably going to say $9.97 for 2 years. But if these other strategies or indicators, want to call them, turn out, or studies might be the better way. I see no reason why not to keep increasing the price of the Elite to a few thousand, because we're already up to two trading ideas I'm looking at. One that's running right now, plus two other ones on the server that are doing for both forex and crypto. But here, with three more, I mean, it's going to get crazy. Like, this is going to be super valuable, oh, for sure, and it would be pretty expensive as it goes. So, I'm just talking here, just coming up with these ideas, but these are definitely trading ideas that I'm liking to see, and we'll leave it at that for now. I'm just blown away on how excited I am to actually implement these with maybe MotiveWave, and maybe use the API in MotiveWave to get those other new ideas working within MotiveWave. So here I'm talking about MotiveWave. So with MotiveWave, we have quite an amazing platform. It's probably, from my point of view, it's the best platform out there. I am technically a reseller of this. If you want to get through me, let me know. I can give you a cut on this. Amazing. I mean, it's just an unbelievable platform. But the new version that they just brought out is just fuck. Let's see the pricing on this thing. They changed their models quite a bit. So let's see what they got here. They've changed it around as of yesterday or today. But yeah, MotiveWave is unbelievable. The new version, I gotta say, big props to these folks at MotiveWave. So you can lease it by the month. So, ooh, yeah. Okay, so I always would tell people to do the ultimate. Like, come on, you're trading. You're trying to make money here. If you're starting out, then go with one of the smaller editions. But to me, the ultimate is what you want. So let's see what we're looking at. So how much is the ultimate? I haven't checked the pricing yet. I'm just too. I'm a busy guy. You know what I mean? So as I said, if you want a copy of this, let me know. So it's $159 a month. That might be a little much because they might not give discounting. Let me just see on my phone. I'm gonna check my own stream here. See if people are watching this. Because right now, let's see here. Well, let me just leave it at that. So what do we have here? Buy the ultimate. Oh, so we gotta put a payment in here. I'll just do PayPal or something, just to pretend. See. So there's your price. So you pay for a month, 500. So they don't have a flat rate like they used to have. It's monthly now. Still, it's a good deal. Lifetime license, $2,300. That's not bad. Might be a lot for people. So how much? So that's a license. I don't know if that will give you the support as well. I'm not sure. But let's just leave it at that. All right, folks. That's pretty exciting stuff. And we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. I gotta let my system, because it's getting overloaded here. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. And as I said, if you want the Python course or the Elite, get it now. And if you want to get on the mailing list, just go to quantlabs.net/book. Fill in the form, and no spamming, but you'll get some books as well. Other than that, we shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching.